the vision of the Ahmadiyya? Would you like to have your own nation or world?
The wish of Ahmadiyya Muslim is that every person in the world come to bow before their Creator. That is the wish. When you once realize this thing, then we don't need any nation. We do not need any country. We do not, rule any country. When you realize this thing, when you discharge your duty towards each other, then you recognize your Creator, then the wish of every person in the world will be to increase in spirituality. And that is what we have, the message which we have been spreading. I don't want any power in Sweden or Germany or elsewhere. So this is why the founder of the Ahmadiyya community once said in one of his couplets, I do not need any crown or throne. My crown is if I make my Creator happy.